Welcome back. I think some of you might be waiting like, okay, how do I going to get the data out? Now again, I'm actually doing it without a prepared statement. So when you are doing it for production, please remember to do that. For this, my intention is to share with you uh, the whole the simplest form of it, and then of course you have to be for further development you should have study more, okay, especially on the prepared statement. So in this case, I'm going to do a select PHP. So in other words, right, um, you can actually request uh, data using this PHP. Yeah? Oops. Okay, request data. So what do we do now is, of course, again, you want to request, you want to know what's in the database. First thing you have to do is always get the connection ready. But again, this is the connecting detail I have, but we are not supposed to use root. We are not supposed to make it passwordless. Yeah, so be very careful of that. But in this case, I just want to show you some basic concept of how to get the database connected. Okay, we can use this MySQLi. Um, yes, I mean there are a more secure way to do it, and this is how you can check if the connection is if it's okay. If you see an error here, means the database connection is failed. There's no point to further develop to do it further anymore. So in this case, what you need to do is okay, how to query thing from this table. We use this, correct? So this is what we're going to do. So I'm going to say that let's say the SQL command is, I'm going to put this here. That's it. Okay, I'm going to ask the program to run this. But of course, you usually want to need our code needs. So I'll just do it this way. Select from, and I just run this guy. Results is the results that you get from the database connection. Then I put in the query, then I put in the SQL command. All right. So this is how we query the database. And next, okay, you want to see if it's successful or not. I think one of the easiest way I would always like just echo results. You can actually see the number of row just to see how many data are there. Okay, in this case we should have 1 2 3 4. Okay, in this case I don't need this anymore. Let me put new one. I'm calling this select.php. Yeah, you can see I have four records inside. So how do you get the records? Because all the records are actually inside results already. So now I'm going to show you how to get the data out one by one. So you can do something like that. While row, we have to get the row. This is our data equals to results fetch associate, then open close like that. Then we can open up this guy. Yeah, I think here we can do some. This is a while loop, right? I think we can echo. Let me just try to do row like description. Yep. So this is, let me see if I can do this. Yep. And over here, let me refresh this guy, and yeah, you can see book, drink, pen, notebook. Yep. So that's how you retrieve your thing. And if you still recall our HTML knowledge, you probably can put in a table here, make it a nice one, and then you can actually display the data in a more needed approach. And always don't forget, once you do it, you should always close the connection. All right, so this is an example Yeah, yeah, so you can actually add your HTML command here just to make it nice. Uh, yep, I can show you that you have a value here. Uh, yeah, probably have these two. Uh, Maybe we can start with something like that, just to show you an example. TR, okay, TR, and then this one is echo TD dot 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 in PHP is actually concatenate, yeah. Basically try to add them together. So hopefully this is okay. Let me try this as well. Dot dot like that. I think I have this, and slash here. I think I will just close this row here. Yeah, so I think I have this row. I open it up and I close it. Of course, we have to always start with echo table. Yeah, if you remember our HTML, so this is how I do it. Let me start with the table, close the table. Yep, remember to do that. Okay, let me save this already. Let me try. Pass echo expecting this one. Let me see. Semicolon here, semicolon here. Save, and then okay. Now you see. Okay, you can see now it's much more neat. Of course, my table there is no design because I didn't put in any CSS. You should, if you still remember the CSS, you can put it in and then it should looks nice. Okay, it should looks nice. Over here, okay, let's do that. Just to show you a little bit clearer, let's just do that and see. Okay, there you go. Okay, table. Okay, of course you can use the CSS to make it much more beautiful. All right, so this is about it. I've shown you how to set up the database, use your PHP to insert and PHP to retrieve. Yeah, you should be good enough to do your assignment. But however, this is a warning again. The method I show you here are not for production, but rather for you to get this start quick. You must always take note of the prepared statement. Do not use the way I show you. You have to go and follow the notes I'm going to show you during a lecture. Prepared statement, so that you can get the things connected. Also, the database here. I repeat again, do not use the this configuration. Okay, the database is not hardened. It's not good for production. It's absolutely fine for development. All right. I'll see you guys soon. Thank you.